I like to use KitchenAid because it is fast and effective. So I put in 1 cup of butter and 1 cup of brown sugar. Personally, I prefer brown sugar because it adds more taste to the cookies. Mix it for 5 minutes at low speed. Add an egg to the mixture. Add flour, almond flour, baking soda, and salt into a bowl and mix well. Then you add this mixture to the butter and sugar in the KitchenAid and mix it for 2 minutes at medium speed. Put the dough into a clean wrap and wrap it up. Try to shape the dough into a square. Leave it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes so that it's easier for you to manage the dough. After you take the dough out from the fridge, you have to cut it into about 1 inch of dough. Then you make it a round shape. I like it small. I like little pieces of almond cookies, and then you make it into a ball and then you press it down. So this is 1 cookie, and then you carry on doing the same thing. Make it into a ball by rolling it on a palm, and then you press it down. And you place it a little bit apart, and then you start doing the same thing, rolling it into a ball, and then you press it down. I'm just gonna make 4 to show you guys how I do it. So you roll it into a ball, then you press it down with the thumb, and then you place it down. So what you do over here is you I have some egg wash. Egg wash is 1 egg yolk plus 1 tablespoon of milk. Okay, and then you mix it, and then you have to just brush it on the cookie. It helps to add color to the cookie and make it look brown and nice. after you add the egg wash, you can add the 1 almond on it. It looks really pretty, the almond. And then if you have, you know, they always get some little almond bits, and then you can just put it at the side, a little bit of almond bits. Make it look so pretty. Because when you get the chopped almonds, you get the nice ones, and then you get small little ones. You can make use of all of them. Our cookies are baked. And what I did is that I put it into the preheated oven for 350 Fahrenheit for 18 minutes. You can bake it from 15 minutes to 18 minutes. Really, you have to watch how the cookies are baking. And here we are. You just have to place it on the plate. And your guests will love them during Chinese New Year. And when they do the house visiting, and you can just serve them the almond cookies. These almond cookies are so good, it melts in your mouth.